All right, well, we're about to have liftoff here. Going to put a little music with it here, see if you recognize the tune. And we're up, and away. My scope malfunctioned, and this is what I started doing. I started flying around with the drone for a little bit. And Jason, and Michelle, and Jace are over on the pistol range. And I'm going to go over and pay them a visit as soon as I figure out where I'm at. I use this camera to kind of get myself oriented. There's Jason running across the infield there. Yeah, I'm going to turn back south here and pick up. There's Michelle on the left, Jason in the tree. And go over and take a look at the pond. There's a 100-yard target range right there. Okay, that sandy spot there is the road up to the shoot house, one of the roads. And there's Jace there, my grandson. I'm going to go down and play with him a little bit, just kind of mess with him. So I've got his attention. He's going to wave at me here. Hello, Jace. Hello, Jace. I'll come down and get a little closer to you. Watch it. I have to get up out of your way there. I don't want to get into you. All right, I'll come back. Okay. Now, I know you're going to try it again, so I'm getting ready. You step towards me, and I'll look to the left. And I'll look back to the right. And you step again. Now I'm going to put it in reverse. Watch it. Watch it. And you're going to get too close, and I'm going to have to fly away. Hop. What? That's that. Nope. Okay. See you later there, pal. Okay, they're packing up, getting ready to leave. So I'll follow them up the hill. There's Jason. That's the boss. He's the boss. Okay. Whoop. No, there's the boss. And that's a little boss there in the back. He's keeping an eye on me here. Alright, well, I'm going to take it on up here. See if I can get this thing to land proper. Just don't want to take his eyes off of me. Alright, now I'm going to hit the button that says return to home, and it should land right on the back of my truck. Should. Okay. It'll make a 180-degree turn here. This is what is called a precision landing. Started over a little bit off. Wind, it had to make some adjustments for the wind. And that's about the end of it. So I thank y'all. Appreciate it.